Northern Power Electronics is an industrial electronics company that specializes in the repair of industrial electronic equipment and devices such as drives, printed circuit boards, PCBs, PLCs, HMIs, power supply units, PSUs, test equipment, temperature controllers, and a wide range of other industrial controls. Since 2020, Northern Power Electronic has worked to minimize manufacturing downtime and save maintenance costs. Believe in us as your affordable alternative for purchasing new industrial of experience. Because we are experts in out-of-date technology. Our skilled ed specialists with more than 20 years experiences can manage any project. We apply the latest technologies to fault finding, repair, load testing, and function testing of your equipment to ensure that you receive fully repaired and tested equipment. Visit our website npe-uk.com or call 8000016045.